With over 100,000 doors in operation throughout North America, Rytec is the leading U.S. manufacturer of high-speed, high-performance doors. Rytec is exclusively focused on producing rolling, folding, and sliding doors. In fact, it's our only business, period. Market-leading companies across dozens of industries specify Rytec for many reasons: a competitive advantage, time savings, increased efficiency, enhanced safety, and improved security, among many others. From industrial manufacturing, warehousing, and distribution operations to coolers, cold storage, and auto dealerships, our doors help to improve traffic flow and boost productivity. Specifically, Rytec doors save energy and reduce heating and cooling costs. Our doors help control clean environments, which are critical for the food processing, food and beverage, and pharmaceutical nutraceutical industries. Rytec doors even increase security and protection while enhancing the architectural design in many applications. Regardless of industry or application, high performance is built into each and every Rytec door. They're fast, they last, they're safe, they're reliable, and they can take a hit. These qualities have innovated and set the standard for high performance in the door industry, starting over 35 years ago. Whether it was the first high-speed folding door in the U.S., the first breakaway bottom bar, or the first high-speed door designed specifically for food processing, pharmaceutical, and cleanroom applications, Rytec's patented state-of-the-art technologies, award-winning designs, and history of innovation continue to lead the industry. Our engineering team is committed to researching the application challenges of today and developing new technologies for tomorrow. From operator safety to product testing, our R&D resources are focused exclusively upon high-performance doors. Rytec: quality, performance, reliability.